I was just worried just for all the kids' safety, and I didn't want to be the one to have something go wrong on my watch.
An Indianapolis mom is speaking out about what she calls dangerous conditions at a gym daycare. A loophole in the law could be to blame.
Call 6 Investigates. Kara Kenny is working for you to find out what you need to know to protect your children.
When you drop your child off at a gym daycare to grab a quick workout, chances are you don't think a whole lot about safety. But an Indianapolis mom says you should.
They want to do the minimum.
Katie Lyman is a mother of two. She worked in the kids club at this LA Fitness on Southport Road, a place where parents can drop their kids off for an hour or two free of charge while they work out.
Because I knew right off the bat something was just a little off. Within the first couple of days, I had kids just running around crazy, being violent. There weren't any specific rules. We had food and drink, mix-ups with cups and binkies.
Katie says at one point she was watching 17 children by herself.
All of them at least under the age of 6.
Katie snapped these pictures of broken toys, hair, dirt, and what she called dirty conditions throughout the facility. She says she brought her concerns to gym management multiple times.
I was just worried just for all the kids' safety, and I didn't want to be the one to have something go wrong on my watch.
Katie contacted Call 6 Investigates, and we reached out to Family and Social Services Administration, the state agency that regulates child care. FSSA says child cares are exempt if they care for children less than 4 hours per day and not in consecutive days. That means most gym daycares and after-school programs are likely exempt, meaning they are not inspected by the state, nor do they have to follow health and safety regulations like child-to-staff ratios, CPR, and safe sleep training. Katie calls it a loophole and says parents need to know gym daycares are not regulated like licensed child care facilities.
I don't think they know that there aren't any codes to keep up on. There's no one in monitoring the cleanliness. I don't think they know that.
Call 6 Investigates left a business card at the LA Fitness Southport Road location. We also called and emailed the LA Fitness Media Relations office and haven't heard back.
To just do the right thing, we could get something done.
Katie says she was fired after 2.5 weeks on the job. She posted her concerns about the kids club conditions on Facebook. Her post now shared more than 300 times. She hopes to prompt change at the facility and educate parents who drop off their kids at any gym. Katie says oftentimes she couldn't even reach parents when there was a problem.
At the very, very least, make sure there's a phone number on file. If nothing else, you can at least be contacted if something were to happen.
You can protect your child by looking for these red flags: overwhelmed staff, dirty conditions, or broken equipment. At the end of the day, if it doesn't seem safe, don't leave your child there. Working for you in Indianapolis, I'm Call 6 Investigates, Kara Kenny.
And if your child care facility is not regulated and you spot unsanitary conditions, you can also report it to the county health department. Here are some more questions to ask the child care. Ask about child-to-staff ratios. If background checks are done on staff. Is there a limit on how many children can be in the facility? You can also ask if they train their staff and if they're certified in safe sleep practices.